Good morning and welcome to episode 3 of Ben 360 Runner. Kids are in the back of the car. Say hello. Hi. So what we're doing today is we're going and doing a workout 6 times 1,000 meters off 2 minutes rest. The kids have to come along on the trip, unfortunately, so we get up early. They go to the park. Rachel's already there doing her workout. Swap over. I do my workout whilst they have a play and a walk round, and yeah, let's go and get it done. So we're here at Nightlow Park in Birmingham city centre, or just outside. It's a great little playground where the kids can play, and there's a track that runs all the way around the park, which is a nice little running track. So Rachel's over there, she just finished her workout. I'm going to get mine done. I'm going to do a bit of a warm-up. I'll talk you through the session and the warm-up, and then you can watch, see how it goes. So, just started a nice 10-minute warm-up, nice easy jog, and that's just to boost up the legs, get the heart rate up, make sure the systems are firing for this 10k session. The session is, I normally do a little bit longer or more reps, not many more. I'm going to do 6 1k at 10k race pace, which is around about 6 minute mile, just over 6 minute mile, with 2 minutes standing recovery. And on the standing recovery, I'm looking for my heart rate to drop down nice and low, but I'm looking to really dig in during the intervals. I'd normally do 8 by 1,000 meters. A bit short on time today, so I'm only going to do 6. And hopefully, good session, perfect conditions, nice little place to do the run. Let's get it done. One thing I'd say as a parent is it does put barriers in place for doing sessions, or doing any training really, whether it's running or just going to the gym or whatever it might be, playing team sports. If you want something badly enough, you are committed enough, you can always find a way to get things done, hopefully. I'm lucky in the sense that Rachel also likes her running, and we're trying to get the girls into it as well. But careful planning. I'm here doing my session. Rachel's over there with the girls in the playground. They'll be there for about 45 minutes, enjoying themselves hopefully. She's got her session done, and all this will be done before 9 o'clock this morning. So, warm-up's done, feeling good, so perfect conditions. So I'm gonna pop you down over there, get the 6 by 1k done, nice hard efforts, standing recoveries, and hopefully all goes well. About 3 weeks out from a 10k race that I've got coming up, so it's a good test of the 10k race pace. Let's have a go, eh?
So that's the first 1k rep done. A little over 3 minutes 40 for the kilometre. Just under 6 minute mile pace, so need to feel good, but need to be a little bit more disciplined in the effort. Remember that I've still got more reps to come. I feel good towards the end, and I can obviously dig in and go a bit faster on the last ones, but for now, need to stay disciplined, see what happens. So second lap done, 3:43 for the kilometre. Working a bit harder than I should. If these sessions teach you anything, it is that you need to stay disciplined. Go out too quick in a race, you blow up, you're going to end up in trouble. So not only is it getting the training effect in, working on the energy systems, and promoting the good things from running at race pace, you just need to stay disciplined. It's taken me a couple of years to get to grips with it, so just keep telling yourself that you've got a pace, you need to stick to it, and if you don't, you're in trouble. So we're about to go into lap 3. I'm going to take you out on this one. I'm not going to be talking much. Go time. Again, I've gone way too quick. Took a little look at the watch. Going at 5 minute mile pace. World record pace, that is. I don't know. We are in trouble. Slow down a bit. Have a look at the watch. Know that I've got some left in me. If, and only if, I take the foot off the gas. You guys watching me made me go quick, your fault. Last 100 metres. Visualise you're in a race, you're on the last bit, you got someone you want to catch. Difference between you and that next place up, difference between you and that PB time, dig in. There it is, lap over. Yeah, way too fast. 3:33 for the kilometre. Some days your legs feel great and they want to carry you along and you just don't listen to the body. But I'm halfway through. I've got 3 reps left. I'm going to put this camera away, get this done. So that is workout done, 6 by 1k at somewhere between 5 and 10k race pace. That third lap carrying you guys around killed me, I think. So I don't know what the last 3 splits will come out at, but it's a good workout, give it a go. Listen guys, one thing I'd say to you is we all get caught up on social media, Strava mainly for runners. This is why you're here, social media. Thanks very much. Do me a favour, when you finish the workout, stop your watch, save the workout, and then put your phone away. If you're worried about people going on Strava, analysing your workout before you've had a chance to brag about it, go on, change it, edit it and hide it so only you can see it. But my point is, put the watch away, put the phone away, put Strava away, go home and do the most important thing, which is to fuel, refuel, get some carbohydrates in your body, get some protein in your body to repair those damaged muscles. Go and have a bath, go and have a foam roll, drink, hydrate. If you're lucky enough to have the time, I certainly haven't with work and the kids, go and have a sleep, 20 minutes, whatever it is you do. The most important thing when you finish your run is the recovery. So if you neglect the recovery, you end up getting injured, you end up being too fatigued, and you can't put the effort in on these sessions. So go home, recover, eat, drink, sleep, rest. Avoid alcohol, but it's Friday, I'm gonna have a drink tonight. I don't take my own advice sometimes, but the point is, rest is more important. Don't analyse your workout as soon as you're finished. You will have created a bias in your mind on the workout that this workout is shit or this workout's really good, and when you come to view your stats and to try and learn from what you've done in the session, i.e. did you go too fast on certain reps, rep 3, or did you pace it really well but your body felt really tired? It's possible. Don't go into it straight away, because you will not get what you need from that to learn for the next time you do the sessions and the next time you go out racing. These training sessions are 50% hard work, 50% mental, learning how you feel on these workouts and learning from the stats that come out, but do not analyse it straight away, because you will not take what you need from it. This sounded a bit ranty, didn't it? Not a rant, just passionate. Anyway, if you liked what you've seen today, you can expect to see more. Remember, like the video, drop some comments in, subscribe, share it with your friends and your family who are interested in running or not interested in running. They might just like this t-shirt from Asics or the cap from Buff. Anyway, just share, like, subscribe and click the bell and you'll be notified next time a video comes out. If you want to see more workouts, got any workout suggestions, let me know. Thanks for watching.